So First Majestic, we're a primarily silver company. We have 3 producing mines in Mexico and 1 gold asset in the state of Nevada and northern Nevada. All our assets are 100% doré producers, and we're 100% precious metals as well, so we don't have base metals and we don't have concentrates. We've been in operation for 20 years, and we have a significant land package surrounding those assets. Yeah, so we made that announcement about 2 months ago, and quite frankly, we decided to de-bottleneck this side of the business. So up until now, we've been using third-party mints to provide the product, the bullion product, to us. Started off as a marketing gimmick back in 2008, and it's grown to be its own business in the last couple of years, which is quite exciting. But what we realized is our sales have been very flat for the last couple of years. We've not been able to get enough product to meet the demand. So we decided we're going to open up our own mint. So First Mint is the entity that we're opening, and it's currently in the commissioning stage, which is quite exciting. We're expecting to improve our sales by about 200 to 300% from the bullion sales. So that's going to enable us to capture more of the premium and the margins that's currently being retained by the third-party mints, and that should add more profit to the bottom line. We produced about just under 27 million silver equivalent ounces for 2023. The highlight was really Santa Elena. Santa Elena has been the gift that keeps on giving for us. We had a record year there. We produced just under 10 million silver equivalent ounces. And Q4 was another record for us from that operation, where we produced 3 million silver equivalent ounces. We bought this mine back in 2015, and an annual production for that mine was around 3 million ounces. We more than tripled the size of that operation in the short period of time that we've had it. So we're very excited about that. We additionally, taking it on the ESG front, we had a significant improvement in our ESG score. We're currently sitting in the top 40% of our industry peer. That's something we're very proud of. Our ESG team has done a fantastic job reaching that. We're expected to improve that further into 2024. We have a number of programs that's going to help us achieve that target that we set up for us. Yeah, so we just put out our guidance a couple of weeks ago. We're expecting to do about just over 21 million ounces to 23.5 million silver equivalent ounces. We'll have the 3 producing mines operating, so San Dimas, Santa Elena, and La Encantada. San Dimas and Santa Elena, we're blessed to have them. They're operating as expected, or in some cases better than expected. La Encantada, we did adjust our guidance. We took a bit of a conservative approach for 2024. We encountered a water issue, maybe some of your visitors are aware of, or your listeners are aware of. That happened at the end of Q2 of 2023. We assumed this issue is going to persist throughout 2024. We're cautiously optimistic that we'll be able to mitigate that earlier in the year, and we're able to meet or beat this guidance that we put out and get this mine back to budgetary rates. In terms of additional stuff for 2024, ESG improvements, we're expecting that, as well as we put aside a pretty expanded and robust exploration and development program that we'll be executing on. We already hit the ground running right now. We're 3rd week of January, and our rigs are turning. So we'll be putting out some news release on that going forward. The exploration program is going to be focused around all our assets, but mainly surrounding Santa Elena, where we have over 100,000 hectares. San Dimas, over 70,000 hectares, and Jerry Canyon, that probably some of your viewers are aware of. We did suspend the operation in 2023, so we'll be spending some time and money over the next couple of years, putting some exploration dollars and working on a new mine plan there. So again, some exciting targets that we're going after, and we'll be putting out some updates as the program unveils. First Majestic, so like I said initially, 20th year of operation, and Keith Neumeyer, our CEO, built this company on M&As. We have organic growth, obviously, but the big growth legs really come from M&As. We're always looking, and we have a number of NDAs currently signed, but we got to make sure that it makes sense for our shareholders, for the business. So it takes time to find the right acquisition. We are a silver company, so our next focus needs to be on silver. I think our shareholders will appreciate that. But to find the right silver deposit, the right silver operation, does take some time. And in a way, it's a bit of an attestment to how rare and difficult sometimes it is to find those right silver producers. We're always looking, and when the time is right, we'll let people know about that. I think we all know where silver is going. It's just a matter of when. You look at supply-demand fundamentals, and they just don't make sense. The Silver Institute just released, the official consumption demand number for 2023, and it was north of 1.1 billion ounces. You look at supply, and supply is sitting at 820 million, and that's down from the last couple of years where we peaked at 900 million ounces. So we're down 10%. Demand is increasing. You have new industries coming into the market, silver panel, or electric vehicles, yet the price is not reflecting what it should be. So, what I think of the price, obviously, is going to go up. In terms of when, I think it's just, there's just too many factors, but likely. We're excited about 2024. We're quite bullish on it. So hopefully we'll see a significant movement in 2024 and going forward. Like I said, so First Majestic has been in this business for 20 years. We know the silver market quite well. We're a comfortable company in terms of our financial position. We pay dividends, which a lot of our investors are quite excited about. And with this new minting facility, I think that's opening up a new avenue for us. We have a number of our customers, our shareholders, are quite excited to get our own bullion basically in their hands. So this is the silver that's coming from our San Dimas mine in Mexico, all the way to our minting facility in the United States to the customer's hands. So I think that's going to be something unique. We're basically the only mining company that's mining its own silver and minting it at the same time. That's something unique for us.